안층모나 실ong 송전마오니 HYC uni Dulga Parang Jaintia Listener Council uni Dulga Parang Karu Yusni tentang NGO ko mangkope Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization ni Dulga Pa uni Presiden iba Cekranko depan satrangi sotani gemen bisongba ancenga caknakta iba uni gemen anceng bisongko dalo remsakswa aru anceng bisongni agaran ni paceng kunana. I'd like to request Barway to give the delivered speech.
Thank you very much to my brother Balkarin, who is also the Secretary of Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization, COMSO. I have with me the leaders of COMSO who have accompanied me here to this important gathering. I'm sorry I cannot speak in Garo. I'll have to speak in English. Please bear with me. I'll take just a bit of your time. But our presence here today shows that Garos and the Nyotra people, the Khasi Jaintia, are one. And we are the owner of Meghalaya, not some Muslim, not some Bangladeshis. We are here to send one important message, especially to these Bangladeshi immigrants who claim that the Garo Hills may belong to them. But I want to send one message to them, that the Garo Hills belong to the Achik today, it will belong tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. The Garos, the Achik will not move from here, but rather it is the Bangladeshi who has to pack their bags and go back to Bangladesh. That is the message that we want to send to these immigrants, the illegal settlers. My dear brothers and sisters, my respected elders, mothers and fathers, and especially the courageous citizen of Garo Hills, the indigenous people of Garo Hills who have gathered today in this ground. I thank all of you for showing the courage, especially to our government, to our leaders, that we are not to be silenced. We will keep shouting a voice to make sure that our land is protected, that this land belongs to the Achik and to our children in the future. I thank all of you for coming here today. We may be less in numbers, 15 or 20 of us came here last night just for this important program, but the message is very clear. That the Khasis, the Jaintias and the Garos, we are the owner of this land, not some Bangladeshis. And we want also to send this message to the Bangladeshi immigrants that an injury to one indigenous youth of Meghalaya is an injury to all of us. The pain of the Achik people is the pain of the Nyotra people. Your loss is also our loss. And that is why, if you fight, we will also fight and stand together with you. This is the message I want to send to these illegal immigrants, to the Bangladeshis. And we would also like to send a message to our leaders, that today, in this moment, the Achik people have spoken out that enough is enough. Illegal immigration will not be allowed to happen, and these illegal immigrants have to be pushed back to their country. And also, a very clear message to our government, to those parties who says that these immigrants have been voting in the GHADC since the time we got our district council. We want to ask them one simple question. If Garo Hills belong to the Achik people, then how come these people also have the same right as the Aceh? We want the sanctity of GHDC to be protected, and the GHDC should only be for the protection of the Aceh people. My brothers and sisters, I want to call you all that this fight should not be only for today. In fact, you have to make sure that the movement should continue till one person or till no one of these illegal settlers are not pushed back from the plain belt of Garo Hills to Bangladesh. Till not even one person to be able to take part in the GHDC election. You have to raise the voice. You have to take the stand. At the end of the day, who is NPP, who is BJP, who is Congress? It is you who make them MLA. It is you who make them MDC. If you say no, they have to hear your voice. That is why you have to take a very strong stand at this moment, because this moment will decide the history of the Aceh people in the future. If you back down, the future will be a bleak one. But my brothers and sisters, if you stand today and fight, I'm sure that the future of the Aceh people will be the bright one, and you will be owner of this land, and no one would dare to put a poster to chase you away from your own ancestral land. You have to take the stand, and today will be the day you decide whether you'll move forward to fight or whether you'll back down and suffer and be the minority in your own land. That is the hard decision that you have to take. My brothers and sisters, my fellow Aceh brothers and sisters, we came here today, as I said, we came here to show our support, to show that us, as the son of the soil, the Khasi Jantias or the Nyautrap as we call ourselves, and the Garos, we are the son of the soil that is bound together by land and by history, and we are the owner of Meghalaya, not anyone else. And it is us to decide who will stay here and who would have to go back to their own place of origin. We have to take that decision. And I call upon all of you that let not make this fight only a fight of the Aceh against some illegal immigrants, but rather collectively, as the indigenous people of the state, as the sons and daughters of the soil, we should fight together to ensure that our politicians, that the government should not take us for a ride. We have been taken for a ride for the last 50 years since we got our statehood. Had the government sealed our borders, we won't be having this problem today. The killing of our brother, late Margaret Dilseng Sangma, would not have happened had our government, had our leaders been proactive in sealing our borders and not allowing them, these illegal immigrants, to stay, to work, and commit this heinous crime. I believe our brother who died did not die for politics. He did not die for power, but he the forest that sheltered us, and he died to give our children the right over our ancestral land. So it is on us to decide whether should we allow his martyrdom to be wasted, or should we stand and make sure that a brother, a slain brother who lost his life, his martyrdom should not be wasted, but rather it gives us strength to fight against these illegal Bangladeshis. That is what we have to decide. By coming together here, you have taken one step forward. You have taken a giant step forward to ensure and to make your voice heard to these illegal Bangladeshis as well as to our government, that we're not here to keep silent. And I warn you that since you have taken this step, first step forward, let us take another 10 or 15 steps forward till we ensure that our land is protected, our identity are protected, and we are the owner of this land, not some other person. Through this meeting today, I call upon each one of us. Let us be united. Let us stand firm. Let us stand fearless. But also, let us make sure that this gathering today is not just a one-time picnic or a one-time gathering. We just came here today. After the meeting, we go back to our home, to our houses, to our village.
As I was saying, we are here today to only show our support, and we wanted to send a clear message to these illegal Bangladeshis that the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya, the Nyotrip, the Khasi Jaintias, and the Garos, we are together, we are one, bounded by history and bounded by land. And any injury to one of the indigenous youth or member, it is an injury to us all. And I would also like to call upon our Honorable Chief Minister and the government of Meghalaya that how long will you wait before you seal the border? How many martyrs will be lost till you take necessary action? And doesn't it hurt you or it pain you to see that one of the members of your own community lost his life to the illegal Bangladeshis? It is your responsibility to take necessary action, and it is your responsibility to chase these illegal immigrants away from our land. I call upon the Chief Minister of the state, I call upon every MLAs from the indigenous communities to stand together and take decisive action. If the government of Assam, under the leadership of Himanta Biswa Sharma, can chase, can evict these illegal settlers from Assam, why can the government of Meghalaya take the same decision? If Himanta Biswa Sharma can see publicly that these Bangladeshi Miyas does not belong to Assam and they have to be chased back, why can our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Konrak Sangma say the same, that these illegal Bangladeshis from Garo Hills should also be sent back to Bangladesh? Is it because of your politics? Is it because you benefit from their votes? You have to choose today whether you choose your Achik brothers and sisters or you choose the illegal Bangladeshis. You have to take that decision. And the Achik people will be waiting, will be watching, because elections comes and go. Elections are very near. If you don't stand with the Achik people, remember, even the Achik people will not stand with you when you need them. So Mr. Konrad Sangma, before you take a decision, before you take sides, you have to keep that in mind. Whether you are for the Achik brothers and sisters or you are for the illegal Bangladeshis. I want to close my speech today. I know that it is very hot, and I understand standing here also, it is a problem even for all of you. But our message is very clear. Our call is very clear. And I request all of you, my brothers and sisters, just as you have come today to show support, just as you have come today to raise your voice, please be there in the days to come also. And I urge our fellow leaders from various organizations under the umbrella of Unified Garo Organization to take a stand and to lead from the front. And I assure you that Komso, along with our friends from Khasi Gentiles or the organization, we are with you whenever you need us. We will be with you for this in this fight, and we will stand together with you to ensure, as I was saying, that it is not the ISIS who will chase the Garo people, but rather the Achik will chase ISIS back to Syria or back to where they come. We have to take that stand, and we will be there together. Let us make one voice clear today. I will say Bangladeshi, go back. You will say go back, go back. Let us shout to our voice so that this Bangladeshi will hear, so that our Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will also hear. Bangladeshi, go back! Go back! Go back! Bangladeshi, go back! Go back! Go back! Bangladeshi, go back! Go back! Go back! I'll say I'm Chingni Aking. Is that right? So you'll say I'm Chingni Aking. Well, I'm Chingni Aking. I'm Chingni Aking. I'm Chingni Aking. Thank you, Kublai Shibun Mitela.